When you hear them, don't be late. Spring is opening every gate. High above and all around, nature's making joyful sounds.